Guys, got the tank. This out of the way, it's for his phone, not needed by now. And then I'm gonna place the battery, charged it, and then we're gonna take the MotoScan app and see if there is any problem. Hopefully not. So the plus comes on this side. Okay. First, always the plus, the positive of your battery. And that one then. Up. Yes, this one. I'm a bit curious. Actually, it was a nice project. Love it. Okay. And then his brother. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, hop, hop. Then this one. Okay. Up. Now, let's have fun. This a bit to that side. Over here is the diagnostic connector. Hop. Yes. This carefully out of the way. Ta-da! Guys, over here we have the MotoScan hardware. First thing we're gonna do is connect this one. Then we take out of his cage UniCarScan 2100. Okay. Then, hop. LED is blinking red. Okay. We put it on ignition. Let's see. Service. Okay. Range, dynamic. Now guys, first I think I'm gonna light out like this a bit to that side, then I take my phone. Then, as you can see, I have the Ultimate. First thing I always do is an adapter check. They say it's not necessary, but I want to be sure that my phone is connected with the interface, which it is. As you can see now, it's present, and 3 times yes in green, always good. There we go. This is an S series. Yep. And it's the K47. And first we're gonna see the ABS. Read out faults. No trouble codes found. Okay. Then the cluster, the combi cluster. Read out fault memories. Fuel level sensor. That could be that it's loose. So delete fault code, clear the fault code. Okay. Memory, no trouble codes found. Then we have service reset. I want to do that too. Hey, this is changed. Wow. Current service information, motorcycle date. See? Kilometer miles. Okay. The date. Reset the date. Reset OK. Okay. Yes. That's today. The app will default values after clicking this button. One click reset. Netjes. 12 de volgend jaar, dat is weer. One click reset. Wow. Okay. Wait. Now, the service is resetted. Then we go back, and I go back one more time. Then, okay. Let's see. 16 range. So, instrument cluster, let's see. No trouble codes found, see? Okay, then we go to the engine electronics. Memory code. Throttle valve. Right. One trouble code. Let's see. 10 times error. No longer present, but already stored. Fault would not cause a warning to eliminate failure. Okay. Then we're gonna erase that. Delete. Clear trouble codes. Okay. Cleared now. Then again. Then we go back to engine. Okay. Memory codes. No trouble codes found. Okay, that was an old fault. Tire pressure, semi-active suspension. Okay. Let's see if it's no trouble codes found. Okay. Keyless ride, no. Telematic module. I don't think it has the telematic module. Guys, it's time to start it up and see if it runs. Yes! Then we take out of his cage the UniCarscan UniCarscan 2100.